Hey there, my name is Chris Calabro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the CF7 Mautic Extension plugin for WordPress. And what this does is it allows you to connect your Contact Form 7 forms using the very popular Contact Form 7 plugin. It allows you to connect those forms to your Mautic instance. So basically, if you have a form in Contact Form 7, what we're going to do is create a matching form in Mautic so that you can send the form data that's submitted using the Contact Form 7 form to Mautic. So what we're going to do to get started is just install the plugin. So I will head over to Add New and look for CF7 Mautic Extension. And we'll install and activate. Now, what we're going to do is just make sure that we get our Mautic URL in here. So this is the base URL of your Mautic install. In my case, it's zenhabitsaudio.com/Mautic. Yours might be something like Mautic or marketing.mysite.com, whatever that happens to be. You want to put your Mautic URL in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come back and map the forms later. So I'll hit Save Changes. And then what we're going to do is head over to the contact form that we want to integrate with Mautic. So I have one created here called Basic Contact Form. And what you'll notice is that there are 3 fields. And the important thing to pay attention to is these field names. So I have first name, email address, and sender message here. So what we're going to do is create a matching form in Mautic that will accept these same fields with the same field names. So head over here to Mautic and create a new form. And we'll call it Basic Contact Form. And let's add some fields. So the first one we're going to do is add the name. We'll say this is first name. And let's map this to first name. Now here's the important part. You need to make sure that this field HTML name matches the same field name that you've used in your Contact Form 7 form. So over here, I've named this field first dash name. So I need to make sure that that's set up exactly the same in Mautic. And we'll add the email field. It matches to email. Let's make that required. Say, please enter your email address. And again, we want to match this to the Contact Form 7 field name. And then the final field we have to add is this sender message field. Now, I don't have a field in Mautic, to collect the message. So what I need to do is actually save and close and create a custom field. Now you could call this whatever you want, obviously, but in this case, I'm just going to make it obvious what I'm doing so that you can understand the general concept. So I'm creating a custom field, and we're going to give it a data type of text area. We'll save and close. Then we can head back over to our form, and we can then add that extra field. So we're going to add a text area. We'll call this message. Now we can map this to our new custom field. And again, make sure that this field name matches the same field name from our contact form. So I'll copy that and paste it in. Okay, So we'll save and close. And now we have a form that has the same fields as our contact form. So to test this out, we first need to connect this contact form to our Mautic form in the settings of the CF7 extension. So we'll come over here and we'll call basic contact form, and we need to match this to the form ID. So if I come over here to my forms, I can see the ID is 1. So we're going to put 1. And we'll hit Save Changes. And then if you come over here to this contact page, this is where I have embedded this contact form that we were just working on. So this basic contact form is embedded on this contact page. And let's see if this works. So I'll put my first name, send message, and it looks like contact form 7 is working, which is great. So now let's see if it showed up here in Mautic. I'll reload. And you can see I now have 1 result. And if we take a look at this, you'll see sent first name, email, and the message is testing. So that's all you really have to do.